Hello again, this is Jeremy Arts, Product Manager for PowerStop Vehicle Restraints and IDOC Controls. And today we're going to talk about the PowerStop, particularly the PowerStop AAL, the fully automatic version of this restraint. I want to talk about two features in particular, auto re-engage and auto store, that give it a leg up over some of its competitors in the marketplace. So I want to show you a couple of videos here. First video I want to show you today is how the PowerStop AAL has auto re-engage as a feature. And the first thing we've seen in this video here is that we have a safe engagement scenario now with our simulated rig and our simulated dock. Okay, so I've engaged the restraint. We have a safe engagement situation. Our rig is here. It has pushed down our rig sensor bar that rests here. And as you can see, when there's an engagement, the rig sensor bar is pushed down, and that tells IDOC controls both to change the lights so that the dock workers on the inside of the dock know it's safe to start loading the trailer. And it also tells IDOC controls that the restraint is safely engaged and to take action if that rig sensor bar is no longer depressed. And we'll see what that action is in just a minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to manually push down the restraint. And you hear that the hydraulics kicked in and forced the restraint back up. This simulates, and if anything gets under there like a pallet shard, it threatens to push down the restraint housing. You'll see it again here. You can hear the hydraulics kick in. Basically, if there's excessive trailer balance or like a large piece of wood or anything like that gets under there and tries to push down the restraint, IDOC controls auto re-engages the restraint and forces it back up. So we're going to store this restraint, move on to the next video, and talk about auto store. So in this next video, we're going to see we have our simulated rig now. I've pulled it away from the dock. This is simulating if we have a trailer that's backed up to your dock and it doesn't have a functioning rig. Its rig is missing. It's very bent. It's rusted out, broken some way. It's non-existent. And it's not possible for a restraint to capture it, okay? IDOC controls will sense that because this rig sensor bar does not get depressed, doesn't get pushed down, and it will automatically store the restraint so it doesn't stay up for the next trailer that backs in to slam into it and cause damage. And that's auto store. So here we see we've made an attempt to engage a trailer by its rig. Nothing happened. There's no rig there. IDOC controls automatically stores the restraint. So as you can see here, those are the two features. These features help elevate the PowerStop above some of its competitors in the marketplace and definitely make it a top-tier vertical barrier restraint. So until next time, please stay safe.